Now, chapter electrochemistry. This is the second part video of electrochemistry. Now, in part 1, we have learned about the introduction and importance of electrochemistry. Alright. Now, this is part 2 of electrochemistry. Now, content of this topic according to the syllabus 2021-22, that is, so first topic is electrolytic cells and electrolysis. So today this is the topic: electrolytic cells and electrolysis. Okay. Now, so what is so first we will understand what is electrolysis, right? So in electrolysis means, first point it is coming, electrolysis, electric current, right? So the decomposition of electrolyte by the passage of electricity through the aqueous solution or molten state or fused state, right? This process is known as electrolysis. First point, what happens in decomposition of electrolyte by the passage of electricity through its aqueous solution of electrolyte. Clear? So this is the concept of electricity. Now, first we are going to draw that this electrolysis. We will understand the concept of ionization theory. Okay. So first we will draw the structure of electrolytic cell. So this is a glass vessel. All right. This glass vessel is containing electrodes. These are metal rod. Okay. Two metal rod. When we bring in the contact of electrolyte, electron transfer is there. That is why it is known as act as a electrode. So when electron transference takes place in metal rod, so this is known as electrode. Now point number 1, this metal rod, okay, it is connected with, this is, okay, like this. So this is a example of electrolytic cell. Now this is electrode and it is made up of metal. It is a electrolyte. Okay. This electrolyte, how this electrolyte can be prepared? Or see this. This is a source of DC source or battery, DC source, and it is ammeter. All right. Now this is a two electrodes, or as simple, electrode are two types. One is cathode and second is anode. Simple. So this is a LHS site. We are writing this is anode, okay, and this is a cathode. Now in electrolytic cell, this metal rod, electrode, is connected with the positive side. This is positive, it is negative. So this anode is connected with the positive sign, and this cathode is connected with the negative side of the battery. Okay. So this is a connection is done. So anode, cathode, or this. So when it is a electrode, this is a electrode, and this is a electrolyte. Both metal rod is immersed in electrolyte. Now this electrolyte may be, okay, acid, base, or salt. How electrolyte is prepared? When we take acid, base, or salt and dissolve in water, then electrolyte is formed. This electrolyte is present in two states. It is in molten or fused state, or second, aqueous solution. In both the state, electricity is conduction of electricity takes place. movement of ions takes place, aqueous solution. So this is a concept, is here, very simple it is. So see this electrolyte, how electrolyte is prepared. It may be electrolyte, may be acid, maybe base, maybe salt. Take this one of you and dissolve with water. So our electrolyte is prepared with concentration. Okay. Now electrolyte we use here two state, molten or fused state or aqueous solution. Clear? So the concept of electrolyte is clear. So electricity. So what we said is the decomposition of electrolyte. Okay. So decomposition of electrolyte by the passage of electricity through this electrolytes. Okay. So this whole process is known as electrolysis, and this is a cell, electrolytic cell. Electrolysis takes place in electrolytic cell. Now this cell is there. Suppose these are the electrode. Okay. Now we will understand, see this mechanism of electrolysis. So mechanism of electrolysis, simple. It is an electrolyte. It dissociates into the ion. Suppose this is negative charge. Okay, these negative charge is present near the anode electrode, or these are positive charge. Okay, when electricity is passed, what will happen? Electrolyte discharge into positive ion and negative ion. So this electrolyte decomposes into ions. Okay, and this theory is known as ionization theory. So this theory is known as, means this mechanism can be explained by ionization theory. So according to ionization theory, when an electric current is passed, electrolyte dissociated into the ions. Okay, when it dissociated into ions, they are like this. So these are the positive ion, these are the negative ion. Okay, now after this, see now we see two types of change. We will know, first we will know, number one is primary change. Achha, we know what is cation, where cation will go. Cation will move to the cathode, or anion move to the negative, anion will move to the towards anode electrode. Now what is primary change? Okay, we all know oxidation takes place at anode and reduction occurs at cathode. This is a concept we know. Following this, primary change. What is a primary change? The conversion of ions into neutral species. Neutral species is known as primary change. So in this mechanism, two level. So we see change in two level. One is primary change. So in primary change means, suppose here this is a positive cation. So cation what will? Cation will take up electron from cathode. So when it will take up electron from cathode, so it will neutralize. Okay, when this cathode will take electron, so these neutralize, and okay, so this is known as primary change. Means the conversion of ions into neutral species. Suppose it is a copper cation. If they receive 2 electrons, they deposit it at like this. Okay, so deposition is, so concept is oxidation occurs at anode, reduction occurs at cathode. Oxidation means, so this is a point like this. So this is a known as primary change. Okay, now what is a secondary change? If we will see, so the product formed as a result of primary change. The product formed as a result of primary change, okay, is known as secondary change. Okay, so this is a secondary change. secondary change. Okay, so change. Now two types of change. Okay, first is known as primary change and second one is secondary change. All right, this is a very simple concept. Now next point, yes, when electric current is passed, both the cation of electrolyte, suppose hydrogen ions from water, and would move towards, cathode, right? And both cation of electrolyte would move towards cathode, anion electrolyte OH ion will move towards anode. Okay, so negative species will move, this negative will move towards anode and cation will move cathode. Keep remember this point. Now after this we are going to study, yes, now we have understood what is primary change and secondary change in electrolytic cell. Now this is a electrolytic cell, or number one, we also know in other word at which each electrode, okay, so each electrode means anode or right, so each electrode, right, in different to an electrode, and this is one electrode and cathode electrode, they have a different ions. This is a positive ion or negative ion. Clear? So two different ions can be discharged. Okay, discharging of two different ions. Discharging of two different ions. Okay. So what is the reason behind it? So which can be discharged? Different ions. So two different ions. Question is here, if two ions, right? Suppose copper ion and hydrogen ion. So which one will be discharged? Which one will be, this is a question. Discharge, yani deposited. Discharge, D-I-S-C-H-A-R, discharge. Which one is discharge? Okay, so what are the factors? Number one, relative, two factor is there. First, relative discharge potential. Okay, second point is the nature of electrode. Nature of electrode, two things. Now suppose copper has lower discharge potential and hydrogen has higher discharge potential. So in that situation, this copper ion will discharge in preference to the hydrogen ion. Means copper ion will discharge in preference to the hydrogen ion. Okay, so this, suppose in case hydrogen has a lower potential discharge potential than copper ion, so in that situation hydrogen will discharge. So this is a condition just I am explaining for point of view. So okay, so that is why discharging of two different ions. So two different like this. So which one will be discharged? This one, this one. Who will decide? Relative discharge potential and nature of electrode, right? So key word is here, the ion which have lower discharge potential, okay, in preference to higher, okay, so that ion will discharge first. Okay, suppose this is, has a lower discharge potential, it is higher, so copper ion will discharge first with respect electrode in preference to the hydrogen ion. Okay, this is a concept. Now after, let's be understood by taking up example. Okay, example. Suppose first example we are taking up, right? Simple, very simple concept. If suppose we are taking up copper sulfate aqueous solution, or electrolyte is platinum, or platinum is also act as an inert electrolyte. So here is a part we are taking. So electrolysis of aqueous sulfate, question is, this question may ask in exam also, right, in product analysis. Okay, this topic is given in NCERT at the last topic of this electrochemistry. So electrolysis of copper sulfate, right? So this is a aqueous copper sulfate solution. This is a aqueous copper sulfate solution using inert electrode. So here we are using electrode inert. So platinum is inert electrode. Okay. So we are, this is the example. Now how? The question is electrolysis of copper sulfate solution using inert electrode. Okay. So these are the inert electrodes. Now we are going to study first, right? Copper first it contains copper sulfate and water. So first, according to ionization theory, so first we will apply ionization theory. Ionization theory, right? Copper sulfate ionized like this. Copper sulfate. It is aqueous solution. Copper ion aqueous plus sulfate ion, 2 negative charge aqueous. This is one. And water H2O is liquid. Hydrogen ion plus OH ion is there. Hydrogen ion and OH ion, they are aqueous, OH ion is liquid. So this is a case. So the ionization of copper sulfate aqueous solution, right? Normally it is completely ionized. Copper sulfate completely ionized. It is slightly or weakly ionized. Okay. Water is slightly or weakly ionized. So here very simple it is. It is water is slightly ionized or weakly ionized. Copper sulfate completely ionized. This is a situation. So on passing electricity, okay, so see this, these are the cation and these are the anion. Okay, so copper ion on passing electricity, copper hydrogen ion move towards where they will move. So suppose they are, copper ion is here and hydrogen ion is present. So these copper ion or hydrogen ion move towards electrode, sorry cathode electrode. तो ये जो आयन हैं, they will move towards cathode electrode. ये cathode electrode moves. Okay. So now here same concept we will use, right? And these sulfate and OH ion, where they will go? These anion is sulfate and OH ion. They will move towards anode electrode. Okay. And these sulfate ion and OH ion, they will move towards anode electrode. Anode. So first see what is going on at cathode. So write electrolysis at cathode. So see this, copper ion and hydrogen ion, right? They are both are present near the copper ion, hydrogen ion, both are present near the cathode electrode. Okay. So now here copper has lower discharge potential. Okay. Here copper ion has lower discharge potential. Okay. In preference to hydrogen ion, means hydrogen has high discharge potential and copper ion has lower discharge potential, right? So write these are copper ion takes up 2 electron like this. Ye copper ion is there like this. They will take up 2 electron and this is deposited. This is known as primary change. So this is known as primary change. So in primary change, what happened? The conversion of ions into neutral particles. Okay. So this is a neutral particle, right? Okay. Neutral particle. So this change is known as primary change, or so copper deposited at platinum electrode. So copper is deposited at platinum electrode. Now second case. So copper is deposited at on the platinum electrode. Next, at anode. So at anode there are two ions, anions, sulfate ion or anion. So this is anode, this is a negative charge. So sulfate anion or OH anion, both will release their negative charge and they will turn into the neutral species. Okay. So here, since discharge potential OH ion is lower here. Okay. Now in both OH ion and sulfate ion, okay, OH ion has lower discharge potential than sulfate ion. So in this case we will study in like this. Okay, so we will write like this: 4 OH, 4 electron, it will turn 4H, OH. So 4 electron it will lose. Okay, 1 electron is equal to 1 negative charge, 4 electron. So 4 OH will form what? 2H2O liquid plus oxygen gas. So this oxygen gas, right? And here at anode during electrolysis, so this is a secondary change. Clear? So here copper is deposited at cathode and this is a oxygen is deposited at, so according to this, oxygen will deposit at anode and copper will deposit at cathode. So this is a conclusion of this application. Now, okay, very simple it is. Electrolysis of copper sulfate aqueous solution using inert electrolyte. So see, this is a container. Okay, these electrodes are made up of platinum and the electrolyte is copper sulfate and they are forming ions. After applying ionization theory, copper sulfate, these are the cation, these are the anion. Okay, now two types of change takes place: primary change and secondary change. Okay, now at cathode, here key is what? Suppose selection. So if two ions like copper ion and hydrogen ion, right, two ions are present, two different ions are present near the electrode. So here preference, so we will preference on the basis of discharge potential, the relative discharge potential. The ion which has lower discharge potential, that will move, okay, will deposit at that electrode in preference to the lower discharge potential, right? Okay, so this is the example. Now in NCERT unit 3 NCERT last question 3.18 question number. So there are 4 parts of this question. Okay, so they are all based on this concept. Okay, so practice this. Okay, so now in next video will come for the quantitative aspect of electrolysis. There is a Faraday law, first law and second law, and there based on numerical is very important on this law. Okay, children, bye bye, see you in next video.